Hello Legitimates, let's make something legit. I have decided to make my husband and his two friends matching tropical shirts. So what I did was I took 3 images of them from Facebook and then popped them into ChatGPT and asked it to make me a caricature of just their 3 faces, and this is what came out. So now we need to make an offset for this image because the shirt that I'm putting on is very busy, and so I thought a nice little white border would kind of make it stand out better. So you want to just do like a 2mm border, and then you're going to fill and do the stroke in white, and then you want to send the white section to the back. Why this is not working is because I've actually accidentally selected the picture. So we're going to click bring to front, and then you want to select both of them again and align center. Once this is done, you also want to select both and group them so it can't move. And that is how I created the little white offset. So with that being said, you can then resize them to the sizes that you want. I've got one little one for the pocket and the big ones for the back. I probably could have gone bigger, but that's okay. Once you've done all the artwork, then you want to connect to Neville, because if you've got to stuff around for an hour, you don't really need the printer on for that long. It usually comes up with 79 seconds of a startup, but I have already had it on today, so that's not a problem. Once we hit print, we get this screen. It's going to prepare it and show you in reverse what it's going to print here, and it's also going to give you a time. So then we're just going to print this out. So it does all of the color first, and then it puts the white. I have set it to always mirror my image, so anytime we've got words, it's not going to be an issue. Also, before I forget, please like this video and make sure you've subscribed to my channel if you haven't already, because my brain has so many ideas to show you all. All right, so obviously I have sped this up because we don't want to be here all day watching it. It is fun to watch in real time, but this video would be much longer if we were doing that. So I have personally found it takes approximately 3 times the print time to bake it, and then it will spit it out the bottom when it's done. And the second it's spit out the bottom, you can just pick it up and start using it. There's no extra cool down time or anything. So I'm going to start with the pocket ones. I'm folding them in half to find the center just so I can line it up better. And you can see this is a very loud shirt. I do actually think that I maybe should have put down like 2 DTFs on top of each other, because some of the black does bleed through a little bit on this shirt, or maybe there's a way to increase the white in the program. I haven't checked that out. These will be fine. These were $5 shirts from Silly Sullies. They actually had a price tag on them telling me that they were $40, but that particular shop, nothing's more than $5. So I just messaged everybody to find out their sizes and found 3 that matched. And these were the only ones that I could find all 3 sizes in, but they look great, so it'll be fine. So what I'm going to do is once I've pressed it, you leave it to cool down, and then it should just peel straight off like that. Once I've done all of the front ones, I'm going to come to the back. So I pinch under the arm seam and then find the center just with my hands like this. That's about where the middle is. And then I'm going to tape it down. This is a heat-proof tape. I got this one from Spotlight, but I do find it's a bit thick. I would have preferred to get a thinner one. I have seen other companies and other videos where they use a thin tape. It's about 1/4 inch. I think that might be better for me, but we'll see. So that's the first one done. Then we're going to do the next one, and it's literally just the same process. So even though that's just me dancing and pretending I'm magic and making it rise, don't mind me. You have to find ways to entertain yourself. 15 seconds is not really long enough to walk away, but it's also not really long enough to do anything either. So there's another one done. I'm going to set that aside and let it cool down. If you're in a hurry, go and stand in front of the air conditioner and it'll cool it down even quicker. That is what I do sometimes if I'm in a hurry for something. So I've got it set to 180 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds and 50 kilos of pressure, because you can change how much it squishes it, and I like a good squish. So once you've done all of that, you want to actually do a second press where you don't have the DTF film on. I find it soaks in better. And then that's it. This is my husband in the shirt. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.